A new COVID case presenting a clear sign of what lies ahead as WA braces for infection numbers to grow.
My understanding is that he did present with some symptoms that were not related to COVID, and it came through that he was positive. I think there is around 12 staff that have been identified as close contacts and are isolating.
The COVID-positive man in his 60s attended Fiona Stanley Hospital's emergency department. It's prompted a dozen emergency department staff to be put into isolation. As things stand, it means those health workers will be kept away for 14 days in a system that's already crying out for more staff. That's not sustainable, is it? 14 days with that?
No, and we've seen that certainly in hospitals around the country, 14 days isolation for close contacts is not sustainable for the health system.
While other states have relaxed rules for close contacts in a bid to ensure critical industries can continue to operate as COVID case numbers grow, WA is yet to do the same. But the state government promises to have those rules clear soon.
I would like that information to be delivered this week, and there'll certainly be information going to the healthcare workforce this week around what they are. What the broader industry requirements will be are being worked on as well, and that will be communicated.
Businesses haven't even seen the protocols that are going to apply to them for this reopening, so businesses don't know what they have to do. For example, if someone in their workplace gets COVID, contracts COVID, then what do they have to do?
And now it's all finished.
With schools less than a fortnight from returning, preparations are gearing up for students to return with COVID in the community. Thousands of new vaccination appointments for children have been added, but some private schools are calling for the border reopening to be delayed to allow parents more time.
Delaying the opening would allow more people to be vaccinated. However, we're not going to get a huge surge of Omicron immediately after opening. And there should be adequate time to allow children whose parents want them to be vaccinated.
Firm plans on managing COVID in schools are expected to be announced after Thursday's National Cabinet meeting. With local cases continuing to be found, the list of exposure sites is also growing. This Northbridge karaoke studio has been upgraded to high risk, meaning all of those contacts need to isolate for 14 days. Rhiannon Shine, ABC News.